frictions, picture hardly seen. Behind the vagueness, there's hate and bliss and a war between. Your mind gets into the stigma, but then your heart convenes. You start to believe the addictions are getting hard to leave. I can't really list anyone here apart from me. That's understanding, so I can't get an upper hand for taking me advantage of the chance to turn that harm to bleak thoughts of the kids who was lost in their head, walking the trail of distraught and memories and gone with the wind. That's what it often had been. I've been to the start and the end. I guess my heart's at the brim and pen to the flaws of a pen. I've ripped out the hearts of the innocents and been caught as the victim. Then the hearts of the innocents, all the causes of bliss put to waste with shame, dissolve in contempt.
Oh, okay, my nigga.
My brothers get it. Yeah.
Oh, I've been thinking about you all night, baby. You've been kinda driving me crazy. Yeah. And
oh, I thought y'all was about to come in with something.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, you better get in. Come on, girl, you can sing.
I need some moisture, man. My lips can get stuck on.
That's where you need to be, right there. That's what kind of music's calling for.
Yeah, I don't have that high voice.
Like earth, wind, and fire.
That's that weed. Them cigarettes.
yeah.
I don't know. My shit probably won't come out right now.
Yeah.
All day long.
You like this?
Because of that.
Smells, just wanna fuck so bad. I ain't really mad. I ain't really mad.
Okay, I'm gonna see. I'm gonna try freestyle.
I just
Let us
wanna-
sing, let us sing, let it go.
Is it bad that I never been in love? I never did it, but I should know how to fuck. I'll be a bad boy. I'll prove it to you. I'll promise that I'll be good to you, cause I got some issues.
I ain't never seen you before.
Keep going.
I ain't never seen you before.
Like, please. Alright. Alright.
Ooh, I like that.
Oh, yeah.
Chick.
Sitting at the table, chilling. Yeah. I don't know why y'all think I'm playing. Yeah. My voice is kind of raspy.
Maybe that's beautiful you ask me.
But if you just tell me, baby, I'll give you what you need. I'll give you what you want. Hey, I'll give you what you need.
I give you what you want, girl. I give you what you need. If it's either that liquor or even if it's trees, or if you need that romance, or even if that boat play, girl, all you
This shit
gotta
is so
do
convenient.
is
Yeah,
wordplay.
it seems so distant in between. And the shit can get so mean, it can get so cold.
That was like some J. Cole shit.
Yeah.
Right there.
Get it one time, keep that. Girl, your love is what I want, what I need. And my heart bleeds for you with every heartbeat. You got me on some of that can't eat, can't sleep. Seriously, I can't believe how you got a hold of me. I'd probably be stuck in the days without you, with no other place to go but crazy, insane asylums, like straight jackets, walls matted with locked doors. Trying to get back to myself without shoes like a lost cause. Some relationships crumble and some stand, but all's fumbled on the ocean floor of love, beach sand. I tried to be a man about the situation, but you can only have so much patience in this game we playing. Guess what I'm really saying? His emotions got the best of me. I'm on another galaxy and need some finding desperately. So hurry, come and rescue me. Cause I'm tired of being by myself. And girl, if I ain't got you, then I don't want nobody else, girl.
Nobody else.
Yeah.
I don't want nobody else.
Okay. I keep telling her, man, I wonder constantly how could she be so blind, can see everybody's persona but her own personality. Beautifully inclined, can be anything that you try to be. Honestly, you should be with that guy that sees your entire being. Life's a game. We're playing Monopoly. I can still remember when she cried to me. All the shit in confidence, and all I did was talk some shit, cause I was tired of arguing, driving me insane. Could you find a stop and park the shit? All of it is gonna all of it is gonna win. And I'ma drink and pour some gin. Bacardi shit. You all admit, yeah.
Who would have? I don't know.
But you gotta know.
Nah.
I never tried rapping like
Hey,
that.
that shit was tight.
That shit is tight.
Ooh, yeah.